Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It. Welcome to another bonus video, and this is about Amazon. So you can set Amazon UPI just the way you set for Google Pay. So what you have to do is just have to put in your mobile number and select your bank account and enter, and it will detect the bank automatically. So you can go ahead and click on the proceed to send money. So the offer over here is that you can get 20 rupees cashback for every 50 or above rupees that you transfer to other account. So here I'm transferring 60 rupees. So as you can see, I'm just entering the UPI pin over here, and as I input the UPI pin, I'm going ahead to the next page. So the 60 rupees is paid, and you can see over here that I'm getting a cashback. You can see that I've received 4 cashbacks before, which I haven't recorded over here. You can see that I've received another cashback which I just got for transferring another 60 rupees. So you can go ahead and do this for all of your transfers that you do after you're setting the UPI, if you're setting it for the first time. And this offer is limited and it'll be available till 27th of May. So these are the cashbacks which I received. I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.